5 new words every day. Day 1. 1. Afraid. Afraid. 2. Agree. Agree. 3. Angry. Angry. 4. Arrive. Arrive. 5. Attack. Attack. Afraid. When someone is afraid, they feel fear. For example, the woman was afraid of what she saw. Agree. Agree. To agree is to say yes or to think the same way. Example, Ahmad says, the food very good in that restaurant. Hamad responds, I agree with you. I agree with you. 3. Angry. When someone is angry, they might want to speak loudly or fight. Example, she didn't do her homework, so her father is angry. Arrive. Arrive. To arrive is to get to or reach some place. Example, the bus always arrive at the corner of my street at 4 o'clock. Attack. Attack. To attack is to try to fight or to hurt. Example, the man with the throat attacked the other man first. Bye bye.